How to recover deleted Instagram account. So first of all, in order to recover our account, we need to delete it first. So how do we do that? First of all, we're gonna go ahead to our Instagram. All right, and we're gonna go ahead to our avatar icon right here next to the reels. I'm gonna click at the top right, and I'm gonna just hit settings. Okay, after that, I'm gonna just go ahead to my account, and you will see an option called delete account. So I'm gonna just click delete account, and I'm gonna just continue into deleting account and state your purpose and re-enter your password again. Okay, so after you've deleted your account and you want to recover it, so how do we do that? We're gonna just go back to our screen and we're gonna search something on our Safari called recover Instagram account. Okay, and you're gonna see the second option right here highlighted in pink, and I'm gonna just go ahead right here and you're gonna read this article. All right, and you're gonna say that this article wasn't helpful for me, and they will ask you what went wrong, and you're gonna just click others, and you're gonna start explaining your problem that I want to recover it. Okay, and you're gonna just click submit, and you're gonna wait 24 to 48 hours depending on your country. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.